Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accession. 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 Accession is a noun that refers to the act of formally accepting or acquiring a position, title, or responsibility, especially in the context of authority, leadership, or a new role. It can also denote the process of gaining entry to a group or organization. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The king's accession to the throne was celebrated with a grand coronation ceremony. Why accession is used in example number 1. Accession is used to describe the formal acceptance of the king into the role of reigning monarch. Example number 2. The country's accession to the United Nations marked a significant step in its international diplomacy. Why accession is used in example number 2. Accession refers to the country's formal acceptance into the United Nations, signifying a pivotal moment in its international relations. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.